皆さんこんにちは。一般社団法人コラボ代表の二戸夢乃です。今日は2026年の3月24日、今私はフィリピンのマニラにあるバクララン教会に来ています。でここにはですね、今そこの壁にあるように、日本軍が第二次世界大戦の時にフィリピンの女性たちにどんなことをしたのか、つまりその制度例にしてですね、慰安婦にした、ということの歴史がこの壁面には刻まれています。ここではそのフィリピンがスペイン軍、またそしてアメリカ軍、そして日本軍にどのような残虐行為をされたかということを歴史に記憶するためにこのような壁画で話を伝えています。でここにはその慰安婦にされた女性が、裸の女性がその日本兵に連れ去られる様子、その右上のところには日本の、旭日旗がありますけれども、が絵になっていて、で実はここがですね、もともとその慰安婦にされた女性たちへのその被害、を忘れないということ、そして再発を繰り返さないということで、ここにその女性の像が立っていたんですね。で2019年に何者かによってこの像がなくなってしまいました。政治的な理由じゃないかというふうに言われています。で去年私の知り合いがここに来た時にはここにですね、この像はその慰安婦にされた女性たち、また戦争の中で、性暴力の被害に遭った女性たちのことを記憶して忘れないということで、ここにそういうメッセージが掲げられていました。でこれはですね、そういう被害に遭った慰安婦にされてしまったその女性たちを支援する団体が、基金を作って建てた像だったんですけれども、今回ここに来たらですね、ここにあったその説明の文もなぜか撤去されてしまっていたと。1年前には確実にあったんですけれども、亡くなってしまっていたということで、今日は私たちはその慰安婦にされたサバイバーの方の娘さんと別の方のお孫さんのお連れ合いさんと一緒に今日この場に来たんですけど、ここの説明文がなくなっているということになぜなんだと、もう本当に悲しいとショックを受けた様子でした。私たちも本当に悲しいし、歴史をやっぱりなかったことにしないで記憶して、同じことを繰り返さないためにもそうして語り継いでいく必要があるというふうに思っています。でそこで今日は一緒にこの場所に訪れた2人の現地の方からお話を伺ったので、ぜひ皆さんにシェアしたいと思っています。
8月にもあるのを確認してるっていう。
No more.
Why?
So sorry.
So sad.
Kasi last year lang din ako. My name is Mayan Atilio. I am a descendant of Paula Atilio. Because like me, I'm a descendant. It was very memorable about what happened to my mom. That's why it's so very important. For the other descendants, yeah.
とても
Because every time, if I every time go to church, I always went here.
For the other, I want to know them, the other people, that there is a comfort women here in the Philippines. Many people here don't know that there is a comfort women. That's why, of course, we want to know them that there is a comfort women stay here.
Because nobody knows about the history of the comfort women.
Many of them didn't know that there is a comfort. Many of them Filipino people, they don't know that there is a Filipino comfort women.
So from now on, how come to be acknowledged we have a comfort woman that one is missing? I don't know if Ma'am Charis know this. About what?
I want to ask if the people in Japan, is they know there is a comfort women here and the other country.
Somebody.
I think they know naman, like,
Very few.
Okay.
So the people of the Japanese is mostly the young people, especially the lady. I will ask to know that we have comfort woman here in Philippines, but because I'm a descendant of the Lola Paula, the one victim in the Second World War. And I also have to say, please, the people in Japan, please tell to the people we have a comfort women and put in the textbook in the other school. No more. I feel shocked because when I saw my mom in the front of the U.S. embassy to tell about to demand to the people of Japanese embassy. So I shocked. I saw in the television because then I told myself it's my mom. That's why I never thought she was a comfort woman. So when I went to the Alila Pilipina, so I saw many lulas there when the lulas fly before. So that's, and then my mom cannot tell about her story because she keep about what she happened before Second World War. But only my dad knows about what she happened. So when I know that, I feel bad, but not here. I feel bad to not the government, the military of the Japanese Imperial. So why? My mom, every time we went to the rallies, we called for the justice about what here happened. In the room, my mom always writing, we was writing about what happened, but nobody can knows about what she write because she always keep it about what she happened. Only my mom and dad knows
で、お
about.
母さんとお父さん
But
が
me and
それを
my
共有してたけど、
other siblings didn't know about what
で、子供
she
たち
happened.
が
Yeah,
She know already.
she know already.
Yeah.
So, how do you feel? You
yeah.
understand?
I feel bad, but
とっても嫌な
Yeah.
気持ちになります。
I feel bad every time I read my story of my mom. I'm crying. For me, justice about I want to tell the Japanese to tell justice about what happened for my mom.
Happened for them.
What happened?
That is just
Not only for my mom, to all comfort women.
I want to tell them that there is a comfort women here. There is a grandmother that the army, what happened for World War II. Of course, I want to know that many lolas has suffered a lot after World War II. I want to know them that
She's crying. Every time she read about what happened, that story about Lola, she's crying.
even if I am not a descendant, my husband is the descendants also. I also, the other lolas, I meet them, every lolas comfort women. I know that they want to be strong, but of course of their age, the other lolas also dead. That's why we want to ano yung yung tayo ba yung lumaban para sa kanila. We want to
The descendant we will to
continue
continue
their fight
fight.
even there is no lola now. they also, I think the one Lola is, I think, 97 years old. That's why they don't know how to know. I didn't know how to ano to know to fight what will happen to them. That's why we here at Descendants
Volunteer.
ano,
Not only to my mom, but only to the
to all
descendants
Lolas.
of the Lolas. Conflict. Yeah, until now. No changes. Because there's so many young lady.
For sexual abuse.
Yeah, that's why. But the different, the violence against women and the case of the comfort women is the case of comfort women is based in a war
Because of war.
because of war. But same problem.
salamat
Thank
po.
you.
Ma'am.
Thank you.
so much.
Many would give up their lives in the name of freedom and democracy.
抵抗運動をした人たちが日本軍によって拷問をして殺された。
During the Battle of Manila, the male civilian population in Tacos were herded into Fort Santiago, where they were executed by burning, beheading, or by a fire squad. More than 100 bodies were found inside dungeons and nearby chambers of Santiago, suffocated and starved to death. The walls being reinforced in their final moments. Outside the fort, the Japanese went into a rampage against Manila's civilian population, an event known today as the Manila Massacre.
マニラの虐殺と
After
し
the
て知られてい
purge,
ま
the
す。
bodies of approximately 600 civilians were buried in mass grave near
there that is not true. So probably they died really from starvation and torture.
Maalikabok na. So that must have been part of the campaign also because they would come in a vehicle with some people. So maybe telling the people yung mga Chinese ayaw magkwento. Kasi most probably may mga Chinese na naging comfort room yan, pero hindi sila nagkukwento. I asked them whether they know of any other building here that was used by the Japanese as a garrison, because I think maybe there were some Chinese women who became comfort women, but the Chinese community will not speak about it. They will not say. But since it's in the area, it's very probable.